In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your HubSpot user's email address. Whether you've recently switched email providers or just need to update your account information, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure that your HubSpot account stays current with your latest details. First, we'll begin our journey by navigating to the HubSpot website. Make sure you're on a trusted device and that your internet connection is stable. Once there, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. Click on that to get started. Now, when you reach the login page, you'll notice the option to sign in with Google. If you have your HubSpot account linked with your Google account, this is the option we'll use to log in quickly. Click this button, and you'll be prompted to choose your Google account from a list or sign in with the relevant credentials. Once you're logged in, let's direct our attention to the CRM or Customer Relationship Management section. You can find a link to this at the top of the HubSpot dashboard. Now head over there by clicking the link and you'll be well on your way. Upon reaching the CRM, look for the Contacts tab. Clicking this will display all the contacts within your HubSpot account. This is where you manage and edit contact information, which of course includes the email addresses associated with each contact. Find your contact details from the list of contacts that appear. If you have a large number of contacts, you might want to use the search feature to save time. Once you've located your contact information, click on it, and this action will open up the editing options. In the details area that appears on the left, focus your attention on the email address field. This field holds your current HubSpot account email address. Click on it to start the editing process. Here's where you'll type in your new email address. Make sure to double check for any typos. It's crucial to enter the correct email address to avoid missing out on important HubSpot communications. After entering your new email address, the final and probably the most satisfying step awaits. Look for the Save button to commit your changes. A simple click here ensures that your new email address is now associated with your HubSpot user profile. And that's it. You've successfully updated your email address in HubSpot. This small but essential task ensures that all pertinent communications are directed to your newest email, keeping you updated and connected. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide made the process seamless for you. If you have any further questions or need clarification, feel free to reach out.